If you wake up feeling completely drained and unusually weak even after a full 8 hours of sleep, please do not ignore that. People often write off this constant exhaustion as normal aging. In reality, your body is sending you a very specific warning if you are experiencing sudden or extreme team fatigue. You should always talk to your doctor to rule out serious underlying conditions, but in most cases this daily tiredness comes from 3 everyday lifestyle habits that quietly drain your energy. The good news is they are entirely fixable. Today we're going to fix them by building a custom daily energy action plan together. Regaining your strength is a straightforward mechanical checklist of 3 steps you can start executing in your own home right now. Step 1 addresses the most common energy drain for American seniors: a lack of dietary protein. Biologically, your body actually requires more protein after age 60 to maintain the exact same mass, not less. When you fall short of that daily requirement, your body begins breaking down its own muscle tissue to compensate. That internal breakdown is exactly what causes the heavy, sluggish feeling in your arms and legs. This bar chart illustrates the common dietary trap. Most seniors eat 0 protein at breakfast and lunch, saving their daily allowance for dinner time to stop muscle breakdown. Change or distribution: aim for an even amount of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Add a couple of eggs or Greek yogurt to your breakfast. Open a can of tuna or add cottage cheese to your lunch. These are affordable and accessible at any grocery store. By spacing your protein out evenly, you stop your body from cannibalizing its own muscle, effectively eliminating that heavy fatigue and your limbs. Step 2 targets a hidden issue: mild chronic dehydration causing constant brain fog and physical weakness. Look closely at this line graph. While your actual physical need for water or stays high, your internal sense of thirst drastically decreases after age 60. If you wait until you feel thirsty to drink, you are operating deep inside this fatigue zone. You have to establish a visible hydration system, training yourself to drink based on sight rather than relying on a broken internal signal. Start by drinking a full glass immediately upon waking up, then place physical water bottles on your kitchen counter and your TV stand. If you see them, you will drink them. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily. Audit your success daily. If your urine is dark yellow or amber, you are dehydrated. If it is pale and clear, you are well hydrated. Bypassing your broken thirst mechanism with these external visual triggers is the fastest way to flush out everyday brain fog. Step 3 might sound completely backwards. When you are already tired, we need you to get up and move. This diagram illustrates the biological reality of resting. When you sit still for hours, your circulatory system slows down, starving your muscles of efficient oxygen. Gentle movement forces oxygen back into those sluggish tissues, biologically manufacturing new energy. Program a specific trigger into your daily routine. Commit to 5 to 10 minutes of gentle daily movement. Ain't like light stretching or a lap around the house every single hour. The goal is not to break a sweat or exhaust yourself. You are simply waking your body up to keep the internal engine running. Treating this movement as a mandatory hourly prescription prevents the predictable afternoon energy crash. Here is your completed daily energy action plan. Even protein distribution across all 3 meals, visible water triggers throughout your home, and hourly movement to boost circulation. Implement these 3 steps today. If you stay consistent, you will feel a genuine revitalization and your energy levels within 2 weeks. Your body is not broken, it simply requires better fuel and smarter mechanic.